Hello everyone watching the Knowledge channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can fix Realme C25 headphone jack problem or earphones not connecting problem. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon. So if you're facing headphone jack problem or earphones not working problem in Realme C25, so first simply you just need to open settings. So first just open settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue if your issue is software related.